Hello, mathematicians. We are working on 2.N.4.1, and that tells us we're going to determine the value of a collection of coins up to $1 using the cent symbol. So when do you use this? We use money a lot in the real world. So let's say you have 1 quarter, 2 dimes, 2 nickels, and 4 pennies. How much money do you have? Well, the quarter equals 25 cents. That's the cent symbol. The dimes equal 10 cents each. The nickels equal 5 cents each. And the pennies equal 1 cent each, making the total amount 59 cents. So the cent sign is just a C with a line through the middle. Really easy stuff there. So if you have, sometimes you have fake coins that you can do math manipulatives with. So if you have fake coins, go find those, and those will help a lot today. Yeah. So this is a quarter. If you have your money there, find a quarter. That's worth 25 cents. The little one is a dime, and it's worth 10 cents. This one, this is a nickel, and it's worth 5 cents. And this one that's a different color than everyone else, it's a penny, and it's only worth 1 cent. So let's look here. What do we have here? So the first thing you need to do is you need to memorize what each of the coins are. So that's why it's helpful if you have the coins there, you can use them to help you memorize. They can be like little flashcards, only they're little fake money. If you have real coins, you can use those too. But if you have the fake ones, those are good to use. So go find those. So what is this here? A quarter. And we have 3 of the same. What are these little small ones? Dime. And then this one, nickel. And then the odd colored ones, those are pennies. We have 3 of them. Okay, so start with the coin with the largest value. Not largest in size. It is the largest in size, but when we see the dimes, they're worth more than the nickels, but they're small. They're really small. So you're going to write down the value of the quarters, 25 cents. If you have a whiteboard or paper, I want you to write 25 cents down and write the cent symbol. I need you to get used to writing that. It's good for you. So now look, we have 3 dimes. Okay, they're each worth 10 cents. So if you've practiced your skip counting by tens, you know what this is. It's 10, 20, 30 cents. So you write 30 with the C with the line. So write that down. Write it right underneath it. So we're going to write here. We have 25. And then we have 30. Keep them in line. Keep your place values in line. And then after the dimes, there's a nickel. That's only worth 5 cents. So you've got to keep them in line, because if you don't keep them in line, you could really mess up your math. And then there's these coins, which are worth how many? 3. Yeah, 3 cents. Because they're worth 1 each. That 3 looks funny, doesn't it? Okay, and it wants us to know what the total is. So we're going to add this. So 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 3 is 13. We got to carry the 1. 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 1 is 6. And you need to put your cent sign. Get in the habit of writing the cent sign down if that's what it wants you to use as a cent sign. Okay, real easy stuff here. It's just going to be addition, but you have to memorize what each of these coins are worth. That's the big thing when we're working with money. You have to memorize what the coins are worth, the value of the coins. All right, how about this one? It says make sure you use that cent symbol. All right, so what do we have here? Say it out loud. Quarter, dime, nickels, and we have 3 of them. So if you can skip count by 5, you know you can say 5, 10, 15. So those 3 nickels are worth 15 cents. And then how many pennies do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to write out your math problem. We have 25, 10, We have 3 nickels, and if you can skip count, if you can't skip count by 10s and 5s, you really need to start practicing that. You should be able to do that by the end of 2nd grade. We have 5, 10, 15. And then how many pennies do we have? We have 4, which is worth how much? 4 cents. Okay. Now, I want you to pause the video, and I want you to add this up, please. So pause the video now and do this on your own. All right. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 4 is 14. We got to put 4, carry the 1. So we have 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4, and then our 1 we carried, 4 plus 1 is 5. So this is worth 54 cents. You got to make sure you have the cent sign in there. Did you get 54 cents? If not, show your work to someone at home, an older sibling or an adult, and see where did you get wrong. Did you get wrong because you didn't align your numbers up correctly? Did you just get wrong somewhere on your addition? Where did you miss it at? See if someone at home can help you. Okay, let's look at the next one. Okay, you're going to figure this one out on your own. So we have 1, 1, and then 2 of this one. What is this one? What is this one? Okay, so I want you to pause the video and figure it out all on your own. Okay, so we have a quarter, a nickel, and 2 pennies. So we have a quarter, which is worth 25 cents. How much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. And we have 2 pennies, so that's worth 2 cents. So we have 5, 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. We've got to carry the 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. And all these are addition problems right now. And you got to have your cent sign. 32 cents. Is that what you got? If not, show your work. That's why it's important to write your work down and show your work so we can see where you went wrong. Did you go wrong because you didn't know what these coins were? Did you misalign them? Did you just accidentally add wrong? If you did not get 32 cents, take it to someone in your home that knows how to do this and see if they can help you figure out where you went wrong. All right. Next one. It's got all 4 coins here. What is this one? Unless you figure this out, pause it. Okay. So we have 25 plus 25. 25, the quarters is something you should memorize. So 1 quarter is 25 cents, 2 quarters is 50 cents, 3 quarters is 75 cents, 4 quarters are $1. Okay, so that's something you should just memorize. But for right now, we're going to write it out. We have 2 quarters, 2 dimes. Okay. Can you skip count? You should be able to skip count by 10. 10, 20. So we're going to write 20 here. How many nickels? Just 1. And then 1 penny. All right, so we have 5, 10, 15, plus 1 is 16. Okay, now you should be able to skip count by 2. 2, 4, 6, plus 1 is 7. So we have 76 cents here. Again, if you got this wrong, take it to someone in your house that can help you and figure out where did you go wrong. Okay. Let's look at the next one. Skip count. 10, 20, 30. Okay. You have 30 plus how many? How many is that worth? And then you have 3 pennies, which is worth how much? 3. So 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. No need to carry. Bring down the 3. 38 cents. Don't forget your cent sign. Yeah. All right, do the next one on your own. 3/4 and a nickel. What is that? Pause the video and figure that out. Okay, so I know that 3/4 is 75 cents because that's something I have memorized. So 3/4 is 75 cents. So I have 75 plus 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. So I have 80. Don't forget your cent sign. 80 cents. Okay. Is that what you got? 80 cents. If not, take it to someone and figure out why you got it wrong. All right. Let's look at this. What is the total of the coins shown below? So figure this out and decide, is it A, B, C, or D? Pause the video while you figure this out. Okay, what'd you get? So I know that 2/4 is 50 cents because that's something I've memorized. So memorize how many quarters up to $1. So 1/4 is 25, 2/4 is 50, 3/4 75, 4/4 is $1. That's something you need to memorize. So I know this is 50 cents. So 50 plus 10 is 60. 60 plus 5 is 65. Then I have 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. So you should have gotten A, 69 cents, did you? If not, why? Is it because you didn't know what these coins were? You didn't know the value of these coins? Or did you just misadd somewhere? Have someone at your house help you if you did not get this correct. Okay, what about this one? What is the total coins below? We have a dime, a nickel, and 2 pennies. Figure that out. Pause the video right now. Pause it. Don't just wait for me to give you the answer. You need to pause this and actually do the problems so that you can learn. So pause the video. Okay, let's see. We have 10 plus 5 is 15, 16, 17. So your answer should be D. Did you get D, 17 cents? If not, have someone help you figure out why you didn't equal 17 cents. All right, let's look at this one. What is the total of the coins show below? Pause it, figure it out. Okay, we have 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So you should have gotten C, 29. If you didn't, have someone go help you. If you did, excellent. Okay, we're going to do a couple more because this isn't hard. You just have to memorize the value of each coin. That's where the hard part comes in when we start dealing with money, is memorizing the value of each coin. So every day you need to practice what the value is until you get it. So what do we have here? What is this? Say it out loud. Quarter, nickel, penny, penny. So pause the video and figure this out. 25 plus 5 is 30, 31, 32. So you should have gotten B, 32. Oops. Hey, my pen doesn't want to draw. Sad face. Oh, there we go. 32. Okay. All right, last one. What is the total of the coins below? What did I say 2/4 were worth? You should memorize that. Memorize the value of quarters up to $1. Pause the video and figure this out. Okay, we have 2/4. 2/4 is always 50 cents. 51, 52. So you should have gotten A, 52 cents. Is that what you got? If not, go seek some help. Okay, that's all for our video today. Remember, you can always come back and view the video to get help. But this week, the big thing is going to be practicing, figuring out the value of each coin. You need to have that memorized. So every day you need to work on figuring out the value, memorizing the value of the coin. It should come to you real quick. And you should memorize how much 1/4 is worth, 2 quarters, 3 quarters, and 4 quarters. That's very important. Okay, you're going to do great this week.